how to fix App Store verification required error on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, check and update your payment method. So, launch the Settings application and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen. Further, tap on the payment and shipping option you see there and then go ahead and add or update your debit or credit card, your UPI or PayPal, and remove any expired cards. See if that helps, and if not, then simply tap on payment and shipping again, or in this particular interface itself, tap on the edit option on the top right of your screen and then go ahead and remove all payment methods and make sure the none option there is selected. This only works if you have unpaid balance or no active subscriptions. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on your profile picture on the top right of your screen and then tap on the purchase history option. Further, go ahead and pay any pending or failed payments, and after payment, error will disappear. If not, then you can try to reset your Face ID and enable it again. So in settings again, tap on Face ID and passcode option and enter your passcode. Further, go ahead and turn off iTunes and App Store toggle button you see there and restart your iPhone and then turn it on again. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again, tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and then scroll down and then tap on the sign out option you see there. Now, restart your iPhone and then sign back in and open App Store and try again. See if that helps, and if not, then if you are in family sharing, then ask the organizer to enable purchase sharing or ask them to approve your download or fix their payment method. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated. So, in settings again, tap on general and then on software update, and then go ahead and install the latest update of iOS and then restart your device, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix App Store verification required error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.